going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. So I'm going to try to teach you Every Breath You Take, the beginner's version by the Police in under 180 seconds. The intro, the little guitar riff by Andy Summers, is one of the hardest things to play actually in guitar. It sounds so simple, but it's really hard. You got to stretch your fingers. So I'm going to show you a version in G major. The real song is in A major. I'm going to put a link below that tells you to put the capo on the first fret. I'm going to give you the simplest way to do it, and it's in G major, and I'll try to give you some of those extra little notes. So let's go really fast. The main chords are G, every breath you take, every move you make, that's E minor. Every smile you fake or whatever, C major to D major, I'll be watching you E minor. And then it quickly goes to D and then back to the verse, every single day, G major. And really you get these downstrokes going like this. That is G major, E minor, C major, D major, E minor. And then it goes, oh, can't you see? To C major right there. Down to B flat. I play it with my thumb. Check out my video on how I think a thumb is easier. I've got a whole video on how to play F chords and bar chords like that. That's B flat major. Back to G. How my poor heart aches to A major. With every breath you take D major. So again, C, B flat, G, A major to D major, and then back to the verse. Now in the bridge it goes B flat. E flat. Well, because E is here and you can't go any further down, you got to play an E flat up here. It's like a bar major, when it goes, since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. So play like a bar chord up here, right there. Check out the chord link in the description. Since you've been gone, I've been lost without a trace. And you can do an F major shape here. Dream at night, I can only see your face. Back to E flat. You I can't replace. You could do an F up here if you want to. Just bump it up 2 frets. And then, keep crying, baby, baby, please. G. And then it goes right back into the G to E minor, C, D, E minor, the thing at the very beginning. Now, real quickly, we got just a second. I'm going to give you these notes. If you go, that's a G chord. If you sort of just play them with these fingers instead, that lets you put that finger right there on the 2nd fret of the G string, like this. And then if you play an E minor, like this, you put this pinky or this finger on the 4th fret of that D string. A C major, and you put that pinky on the 3rd fret of the G string and take it off, and then play a D major with that open E string right there, and then back to E minor like that. Okay, that's really crazy. I'm right at 3-something minutes. Don't hold me to it. Don't get mad at me, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute lesson. See ya.